Om Shanti. Have you ever been to battlefield? No, but most of us have fought numerous wars in our life to survive. Presently, we all are fighting with corona virus. The battle with COVID is still going on. Without our consent, without our knowledge, we are placed in this battlefield. Everyone has to fight with this virus on their own, whether it is children, adults, or aged people. We can't say that I don't like this battle, I don't know how to fight this battle. No, we can't say. We have to learn how to fight, and one day we have to win this battle. To win this battle, we have to be well equipped. Let us take the example of an armed warrior in the battlefield. He is equipped with all the arms, swords, spear, etc. But let us say his mental condition is not in a stable and worthwhile condition. He is completely confused. Do you think he will win? Let us not be in such mental condition in the present battle. Hand washing, sanitizing, wearing mask, social distancing, all these are the protective arms for the protection of the body, which count only half for the battle. But the remaining half is there, which is called boosting the mental immunity. There is an intimate and dynamic relationship between mind, what is happening in our thoughts and feelings, and its relation with the status of our health. A research showed that the thoughts of happiness, contentment, optimism resulted in lower risk or lower severity of cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, even cold. And oppositely, the thoughts related to sad and depression increase the level of severity of heart diseases, hypertension, and diabetes. So many researchers like this have confirmed that there is a dynamic relationship between what we think and our physical health. Now, let us apply this dynamic relationship in our present life and win the battle, because it appears to be the mental condition one of the most vital ones to cope up our well-being. Today, let us take 3 thoughts to boost our mental immunity. The first thought: I am hale and hearty. The thoughts produced in the mind sends some message. This message will be captured by the brain cells, and with the help of neurotransmitters, this message will be transferred to every organ of the body. Neurotransmitters are the chemical molecules of the brain cells synthesized there, and they will help in transferring, signaling the messages produced in the mind. So, when I think that I am hale and hearty, the same message will be signaled by neurotransmitters to all body organs, and the cells of the body will activate accordingly, and definitely health will be improved. But for example, if I think that I am a weaker person, I easily get affected, the message of these weaker thoughts will be captured by the brain self exactly, and the same weakness will be transmitted to all the cells of the human body, and the cells accordingly react in a weaker way, meaning the health will come down and down. The first thought to increase our immunity is I am hale and hearty. Second thought: I am a powerful soul. What I think shall I become? Situations, virus, something else will not write my fate. My fate is written by what I think. My thoughts will write my fate. I repeat, my thoughts will write my fate. So if I think that I am a powerful soul, that means a very powerful message I am giving to my life, that my life should be powerful. But if I think that I cannot do this, I am a very aggressive person, I can't stay peacefully, this is what I am making, this is what I am giving message to my life that this has to happen. So the second thought is I am a powerful soul. I am a powerful soul. The third thought, Almighty God is with me. A small child finds difficult to cross the heavy traffic road. But once, when he holds the hands of his parents, he really enjoys crossing the traffic. While crossing, he may dance, he may swing, and he will enjoy crossing the road because he holds his parents' hands. Brothers and sisters, we are all children of God. The present pandemic is a big hurdle for the human population. Alone, it seems to be impossible to cross this hurdle. But once we hold the hand of God, definitely we will cross this hurdle. Holding God's hand means always remembering Him and always being in His company. Two things, His remembrance and staying in His company. These two things are like two supportive cues for us to hold God's hands. When we hold our hand, when we are connected with the Supreme with these two beautiful points, then definitely we can make impossible to possible. Not only for ourselves, the energy of this positive thought will radiate outside me, it will spread into the whole world, and each and every person on this planet can definitely cross this hurdle, and naturally, very easily, the impossible becomes possible. Three thoughts to increase our immunity. I am hale and hearty, I am a powerful soul, and Almighty God is with me. Again and again, produce these thoughts in your mind, even while you are working, even while you are cooking, whatever the work you are doing. It is not that you have to repeat these sentences at a specific time only. Produce these positive thoughts, radiate this positive energy into the work you are doing. Like for example, if you are cooking the food, while you are preparing a curry, you will put turmeric, you will put vegetables, you will put spices. Along with all these things, put the power of these positive thoughts into that curry. And when you eat that curry, it is as equal as two birds at one shot. One curry, two immunities will be boosted, physical immunity and mental immunity. So, just with the three thoughts, let us make impossible to possible. Be healthy, be happy. Om Shanti.